What? Welcome back to my channel. I guess it didn't work. But it's okay, guys. We have bowl number 2. Let's open it and make a big volcano. Let's go, ball number 2. Let's open it, guys. Oh, I already opened it. One more layer to go. Let's open it. Well, did you just hear that sound? That was so funny. We already know the instructions. Here's the heart. Let's pour it in. I choose hearts first. Okay, guys, let's pour it. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's open the sand one next. Oops. Good. Now let's pour some water. I think that's enough. Let's twist it a little. Now let's shake it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And now we wait. Nothing has happened yet. Let's shake it a little bit more. Okay, that's enough. Oh, I see it. Oh, it's coming. Whoa, it's turning pink. It's going a little bit slow, so I need to shake it more. It's still not coming. It's too slow. I think it's coming out. What a big volcano. Whoa, it's coming out. Whoa, a big volcano. Whoa. We did it! Yeah! Whoa, it's so beautiful! Let's touch the bubbles. Whoa, my hands look pink now. Where's the L.o.L? Where's the L.o.L? It's going down. Oh, I see it! But it's blue right there. But it's blue. Let's open it, guys. Oh, what is that? Whoa, this is his stuff. Oh my god. Whoa. Look at that. Whoa. So sticky. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Let's pull out the oh, it's her sippy cup right there. It looks like a milk box. Oopsie! Let's open it. Oh, it's a grape juice. It's so good. What in the world is this? Oh, cool. Let's open that later. Okay. Oh, she's covered in slime. Splish splash. It's shower time fun. Our L.o.L dolls are bubbly, scrubbing with her sponge. All set to shine and run. Drying time. Towel wrapped, snug, and hairdryer hums. Our L.o.L doll is getting dry from her shower time fun. Wow, and she's so beautiful. Oh, it's actually a drummer, babe. Let's get her dressed. In the heart of her room, with a magical sway, a fairy twirls around the L.o.L doll today with a sprinkle of magic and a flutter so neat. Peds appear on. Oh, isn't that sweet? The fairy dances, and with a second glance, a shiny new shirt adds to her dance. Shoes on her feet, quick as a snap. She grabs her juice box and her trumpet with a tap. A honk and a beep. The bus drives away, and in the next moment, it's her time to play. On stage with the band, reaching the sky. What a messy surprise we got today! Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the part 3. Bye, guys. Guys, get ready for the grand finale, part 3 of our exciting mini-series. Join us as we discover more L.o.L cuties. But be prepared. There might be some not so cute surprises along the way. You won't want to miss this, so stay tuned.